By the end of this video, you're gonna learn my favorite tips to repair relationships. And stay tuned until the end for the 2021 Communications e-guide as a thank you for watching so that you can practice what you learned here at home. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell. New videos are dropped Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm Amanda Pasciucco. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist for a decade, and I've been a certified sex therapist for the last 5 years. Today, we're going to talk about what I've taught hundreds of others on how to repair their relationship by asking questions and starting conversations that help them get on the same team. My favorite question, the first question that I like to ask is, what is a good time to talk about this? So when something happens between you and a partner, I think it's important to ask them, what time can we meet to discuss this? It's the most underused relationship repair request of all time, because if you think about it, with friends, with colleagues, you make time on a calendar for things that are usually important to you. Even like a sports game, you put it on a calendar. It doesn't make it any less exciting to watch because you knew it was going to happen. Therefore, the same thing. Asking your partner what time, what day you can speak about what's going on is important. It shows that you care, and it shows that you want to prioritize your relationship. My second most favorite repair for relationship, but this is also just one of my favorite questions to ask in general. What was the highlight of your day? When you ask someone what the highlight of their day was, they glow, they get excited, and they like to talk about the things that brighten them up. Why wouldn't someone want to speak about those things? So this is one of my next favorite questions. So my question to you is, what was the highlight of your week or your day? Comment below. Question 3. It's important to define what a successful relationship is for you and your partner. Not everybody has the same definition of success. Some people are looking to get to the 50-year mark for an anniversary. Some people are looking to dive deep and grow with a partner until as long as they want to keep growing together. It's a different type of commitment. Instead of length of time, it's about depth of exploration together. So between you and a partner, decide what your definition of success is. Some examples might be maintaining intimacy without walls, having a partner that likes to take life adventures with you. Question 4. Listening. Listening is really important when repairing romantic relationship requests. When you listen, listen to understand. Don't listen to respond. Don't listen to blame. Don't listen to shame. Listen to understand what the person's saying, and then you can even reflect back what they're saying before you respond to make sure that you actually heard them and the message they were sending correctly. So often we actually don't understand what the other person is sending our way. Often we're just looking to get something, we're looking to get through the conversation, not looking to connect. And when we do this, we miss out on the connection that we could be having with those around us. We all have a part of us that is selfish, so I want you to be aware of this. Balance does take a lot of work. To listen, to give back time. It takes a lot of work. And if you're in a romantic relationship, what else are you planning to spend your time doing? Listening and connecting is one of the things that makes a relationship a relationship. By having these conversations along the way, it saves countless hours later and often saves people from things like horrific divorces or spending tons of money on a lawyer, because we can have some understanding while we're in the romantic relationship and some compassion for one another. And finally, our final question. The minute that you think you know your partner is the minute that all the magic has died in your relationship. The minute that you think you know your partner, all the magic has died. We don't actually know anyone. We barely even know ourselves, even though we work and spend a lot of time with ourselves. Many times we don't understand the inner psyche of ourselves, let alone a partner. So if we think that we know them, We might know parts of them, but there are often parts to uncover, discover that might be suppressed, rejected, hidden, or denied. So try to be the type of partner where your partner can show all of who they are to you, and thus you can show all of who you are to them. Thank you so much for staying until the end. We have our 2021 e-communication guide as a thank you for watching. This will help you get clear on ways to speak, reflect, and use your tone with others so that you get the type of connection that you want in your relationships. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell for new videos Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube at The Sex Healer or at Amanda Pasciucco. See you then, and thanks for watching.